Hi, I'm Gigi and I'm a special effects makeup artist in South Carolina. I work at a haunted attraction in the upstate and I am going to be showing y'all how to do a quick little underwater creature siren type of look using stencils and airbrush. So let's start. So right here I basically got a blue and a yellow I've mixed in my airbrush gun to make a sort of teal color. My gun is kind of muddy right now, but I cleaned it out the best I can. Sometimes you have to take it apart, but there's stuff all over it. So sorry for that. But I'm using it to hollow out certain features of my face. Oh, airbrush. And those features include cheekbones, your jaw, your eyes, make them look a little sunken in, your forehead, and then later on your neck. And sometimes I like to use it on my lips. If you just like crinkle them, it makes them look cracked once you uncrinkle them, I suppose. I use that color as a base. It helps you figure out where exactly you want to be putting this paint. You don't want to just go all in. Plus you need a baseline color to sort of set your creature's skin or their scales or their tone. I sound horrible right now, sorry. But now I'm doing my eyebrows. Once you shade those in, it'll make them look a bit angrier. I don't really know what happened there. I think I had gotten upset. Oh, my gun had stopped working. That's what it was. I was so bad. Right in the middle of filming. But right here I am sort of sinking my skull structures in even more with my forehead. And there's my temples. You also want to do that. Everything to make it look more sunken in for certain creatures. And for the airbrush, I have the pressure on about 10 so I can do lighter strokes just in case I mess up. And I'm not pulling back on the trigger too far and I'm not pressing down too hard. I want to be careful with this part especially. And with certain creatures like this, if you want them to be uglier, you can do this, but for this one specifically, I've sort of made it a more pretty version. You can change it to your accommodations, but this is just what I was wanting to do. And that's the finished base color. I had missing footage and had to redo some parts, so now I'm in a different location, sorry about that, but right here I'm just showing y'all I redid what I had just done with the base color, same features, and after that I will go in with the same color I used, but I added a little bit of black paint into it, and then I'm just going over the even more sunken in parts of the parts I have already outlined with my lighter base color. So after I finished most of the shading, I wanted to say that with certain creatures, if you're trying to make them more, like, less pretty, add darker shading and more wrinkled. Yeah, more shading in more wrinkled places. I had cut myself off. Right here I'm using a stencil I made out of plastic and I'm lightly shading wherever I want those triangles to go for scales. And then I went ahead and added extra features like pearls and glitter. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Sorry for the missing footage situation, but I do hope you learned a bit about how to use these tools. Make sure to like this video, go watch my others, and subscribe to my channel down below, and go follow my Instagram and TikTok, which will both be in this description of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!